Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming hardware compatibility. Check that your phone supports USB OTG or built-in Ethernet tethering. Next, plug a USB-C or Lightning to USB adapter into your phone. Once done, attach the USB to Ethernet dongle. Make sure the Ethernet cable is securely connected to the dongle and to your router or switch. Tight clicks indicate proper seating. If your phone typically limits USB power, use a powered USB hub or a PoE splitter so the phone remains charged while negotiating a stable link. Once your physical connection is live, go into Settings and find Network or Connections to locate the Ethernet entry. Enable it. You may see DHCP assign an IP automatically. If not, switch to Manual and enter an IP, gateway, and DNS that match your LAN scheme. Make sure to disable Wi-Fi to force all traffic over Ethernet. This avoids split routing. Check the link speed status and confirm data flows by loading a web page or running a speed test app to ensure stable throughput and low latency. To finish, verify connectivity. Open a browser, run a speed test, and stream short content to confirm stability. If nothing works, unplug and reseat the adapter and cable. Once done, try a known good cable or a different dongle because adapters fail often. Make sure any powered hub is on. Many phones need that extra current. If problems persist, reset network settings on your phone and re-enter manual IP details. This clears stale configurations and often restores a clean Ethernet link.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.